In this question, it is given that two rods, one semicircle and other is straight, of same material and of same cross-section area, are joined as shown in figure. The point A and B are maintained at different temperatures. The ratio of heat transferred through the cross-section of a semicircular rod to the heat transferred through the cross-section of a straight rod and given time is. So over here we are considering two different path which is allowed for the flow of heat energy. One is a straight line path, another one is nothing but a semicircular path. And the other things are like given same for both the material. That means like area of cross section, material, and across point A and B, we can say that if the temperature of point A is T1 and temperature of point B is taken as T2, so some amount of heat flow will take place through the semicircular path and some amount of heat flow will takes place through the straight line path. And take it as if it is a straight line path of a circle of radius r, we can take it as this distance or length is going to be nothing but 2r. And with respect to radius, we know that the length of the semicircular path will be equal to half of its circumference, or we can write this as equal to pi r, which is half of 2 pi r. Now Rm is to find out the ratio of heat transfer between them. So we know that the rate of flow of heat energy dq by dt is equal to Ka delta T divided by L. So in this situation, the value of K is constant, A is constant, and delta T is also constant, only there is a change in length. So let's say the heat which is flowing through semicircular rod is Q1 per second, and heat flowing through this straight line path is taken as Q2 per second. So Rm is to find out the value of Q1 by Q2, which can be written as nothing but as this dq divided by dt is inversely proportional to length. We can write Q1 by Q2 is L1 and L2 divided by L1. So this L2 we can take it as 2r, and L1 we can take it as nothing but pi r. This r and r get cancelled, so we can write this will be equal to 2 divided by pi.